Good day, my beautiful, phenomenal people. Dawn Spirit here. Peace, peace, peace. So, guys, how easy is it to be nice to someone? How easy is it to put your signals on to let someone know that you're going to make a turn? Or to let someone know you're coming into their lane? How easy is it to let someone off a ramp into the lane that you're riding in so that they can get onto the highway as well? It only takes a few seconds to be kind. And how easy is it to stop to let someone come out of a street if there's no one behind you so that they can get onto the road to go to where they need to go? I find that the more that I am courteous to people on the road, my road experience is much more positive. Remember, the energy you put out, the energy you get back. Your thoughts create your realities. And what I've realized is that I can be nice. I can be courteous to people. It doesn't hurt to be courteous. It really doesn't. You can still get to your destination and still have a loving, positive driving experience. It's called being courteous. And a lot of people, it seems like they have an issue with doing that. It doesn't hurt at all to be courteous to people. I know when I do that every day, all day, as long as I'm not putting anyone else in danger. And I have a much more positive driving experience because I'm on the road a lot. So remember, treat others as you want to be treated. And also try meditating at least 5 minutes a day, first thing in the morning or first thing in the evening. Okay, before you go to bed, or last thing in the evening before you go to bed. First hour in the morning or the last hour before you go to bed. I learned that from Queen Kenyanzi, and I find out that I'm much more energized, especially when I do it in the middle of the day. So I don't have to take a nap. I just meditate. Okay, I love you guys so much. I'm sending you love, joy, happiness, and positive energies. May you only receive positive vibrations from people. May you get that call you've been waiting for, that answer you've been waiting for. May it be positive, amazing news. May you get that item that you've been looking for in the mail. May you get that call or that email that you've been waiting for. And may it bring huge positive vibrations into your life and a positive experience, surrounding with positive people and positive love and prosperity and abundance. Ashe, 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 ashe. Dawn Spirit here. I love you guys so much. Peace out. Make this your best day, guys. Love you.